and that seemed to be about it. We're gonna have that sharp cutoff, and that's the way it's going to be.
Exactly. And right now that cutoff is right along that 81 corridor. We're looking now back again at velocity, trying to determine where there may be some rotation in the atmosphere, and it's not going away.
We have a lot of these cameras too that we would love to show you. Unfortunately, just like you guys at home, you're not going to be able to see anything anymore because
it's going dark.
Yep.
Well,
Great.
Bill camera is one I'm thinking about, and that is in the general direction. But other than lightning, we've seen a lot of lightning on the Harrisburg Tower camera earlier, but that, of course,
Williamstown.
out of the Harrisburg area, the threat has moved into Lebanon County. For the next 14 minutes,
the heck happened?
Warning continues for Lebanon County until 9:15, which all the way back to, was it about 6:45, I think, when we came on the air out toward Newville, Shippensburg area, and we've been following this along 81 the entire duration.
We appreciate your time. We appreciate your patience. I know this is something you don't want to deal with for about 2.5 hours. We're going to get through it. We're going to be done here shortly, and that's the best news. And hopefully we don't have to worry about any damage. We're going to be keeping an eye on things, not just after this tornado warning is over. We're going to be watching some things overnight into tomorrow morning. So we're going to continue to collect and file in some of these reports to see what we can come up with here. And hopefully it's just hail reports, and hopefully it's just some of those scud clouds and shelf clouds that we saw earlier.
Well, let's get back into it. Dan, if you could show us a street view of who would necessarily be dealing with this.
Talk about that Allentown, Leon County is out there, so it's kind of hard to hear.
Radar, what we always show. This is velocity data. So if you're just bouncing in here from this evening and you realize what are the greens and reds,
what is going on with that Allentown transmitter right now?
Additional radar. Now you're seeing the red and green. That is the velocity. Can we pause it on the last frame to give you an indication here?
Well, something just happened. No, I'll put the text in the description since Allentown doesn't want to work for me right now. I already know it's going to freeze out, so I might as well go exit out.